Continuing section 8.1, we're going to talk next about the intercepts of a graph. Intercepts are the points at which the graph touches or crosses an axis. So the x-intercepts are found by subbing y equals 0, or if you're looking at the graph, looking at where the graph touches or crosses the x-axis. Y-intercepts are found by subbing x equals 0, or if you're looking at the graph, you're looking where the graph touches or crosses the y-axis. So this one is on the x-axis, and this one is on the y-axis. So here we have some pictures of graphs, and it says find the intercepts. So I'm just going to look at the graph and list the ordered pairs where the graph touches or crosses an axis. So I notice I cross the x-axis at the point -1, 0, and also at the point 3, 0. So those are x-intercepts. The y-axis is crossed at the point 0, 3. On part B, there are 3 places that I cross the x-axis. And 1 point where I cross the y-axis. Next we have a small word problem. The graph below, there's a graph down here, shows the yearly revenue for selling cooking woks at a price of $P. The vertical axis represents the revenue. The horizontal axis represents the price. So I've just labeled my axes. So letter A, get that up there. What is the revenue if the price is $20? So I look down here, price of $20, and I trace that point up to the graph, and I find the corresponding y value. And so that point right there, oh, it's not exact, but it's about at 280. So I would say that the revenue is 280. What is the price of a wok when the revenue is at its highest? Well, the highest is this point right here. At that point, the price was $38. And the revenue is $366. Now it doesn't say, but this revenue is probably in millions of dollars maybe, or hundreds of thousands of dollars, because you wouldn't just have a revenue of $366 for an entire year. It'd be something like 366 million. Finally, identify and interpret the intercepts. So I have 2 intercept points, 0, 0, and 76, 0. And those are the points at which I make no revenue. So if the price is $0, or if the price is $76, no revenue will be made. Obvious, the $0 one. You're not making any money. The $76 one, so it's determined by this graph that that's too expensive. Nobody will buy it, and that's why you don't make any revenue.